We have gathered reviews from all over the internet to bring you the most comprehensive and detailed overview of the Vepkuso Nail Clippers for seniors, wide jaw fingernail clippers, and angled head toenail clippers for thick nail. If you own this item, please leave a review in the comments to help others make an informed decision. Your experience can make a difference. The Vepkuso Nail Clipper set is marketed as a professional, German-engineered grooming tool designed for men, women, seniors, and pregnant individuals. It promises a solution for those who struggle with thick, tough, or ingrown nails and aims to provide a reliable, long-lasting alternative to the typical nail clipper. The set includes a large toenail clipper, a professional fingernail clipper, and a high-quality nail file, all packaged in a tin box. The manufacturer offers a lifetime guarantee, underlining their confidence in the product's durability and performance. One of the most frequently praised features is the extra-sharp wide jaw design. Users consistently report that both the fingernail and toenail clippers are capable of cutting through even the thickest and most stubborn nails with ease. Many reviewers who have struggled with other brands, especially those with thick or curved toenails due to age or medical conditions, found these clippers to be a game changer. The ultra-sharp cave blades and the mechanical advantage provided by the long handles make the cutting process smoother and require less force, which is particularly important for seniors or anyone with limited hand strength. The ergonomic and innovative design is another highlight. The angled head of the toenail clipper is specifically engineered to address the challenges of trimming thick or ingrown toenails. This design reduces the need for uncomfortable bending and awkward hand positions, making it especially suitable for elderly users, pregnant women, and those with mobility issues or back pain. The clippers are also designed to minimize the mess, functioning similarly to a nail clipper with a catcher, helping to prevent nail clippings from scattering. Personal hygiene is further enhanced by the inclusion of separate clippers for fingernails and toenails. This not only helps prolong the working life of the clippers, but also reduces the risk of spreading nail fungus. The set's tin box is another practical touch, making storage and travel convenient. Users appreciate that the tools are kept together and protected, reducing the likelihood of misplacing individual pieces. In terms of build quality, the Vepkuso clippers receive high marks for sturdiness and longevity. Multiple reviewers mention that the clippers feel solid and robust, with some stating they do not foresee needing to purchase another pair in their lifetime unless they are lost. The clippers are described as being able to withstand tough use without any signs of wear or breakage, which is a significant advantage over flimsier alternatives. The nail file included in the set is often described as a bonus. While some users appreciate its quality and effectiveness, others express a preference for non-metal files, finding the metal file less comfortable or effective for their needs. Nevertheless, the presence of the file is generally seen as a value-added feature, especially for those who travel or want a complete grooming solution in one package. The product's aesthetics also receive positive feedback. The clippers are available in a sleek black or silver finish, and the overall presentation in the tin box is considered stylish and practical. This makes the set an appealing gift option, particularly for holidays or special occasions. The manufacturer even suggests the set as a thoughtful stocking stuffer for grandparents or anyone who values personal grooming tools. Despite the overwhelmingly positive feedback, there are some criticisms and areas for improvement noted by users. A few reviewers mention that the design, while innovative, takes some time to get used to, especially for those accustomed to traditional nail clippers. The unique shape and mechanism may initially feel awkward, but most users adapt quickly and come to appreciate the ergonomic benefits. However, a minority of users found the clippers more difficult to use than standard models and did not achieve the desired results, suggesting that individual preferences and hand sizes can influence the user experience. Handle size is another point of contention. While many find the long handles offer excellent leverage and control, some users, particularly those with larger hands or severe arthritis, wish the handles were even bigger to provide a more secure grip. This is a relatively minor issue, but worth considering for those with significant dexterity challenges. Ease of cleaning is frequently mentioned as a positive aspect. The clippers are easy to maintain, with users recommending cleaning with a Q-tip and alcohol to ensure hygiene and longevity. The smooth mechanism is praised for its stability and effortless operation, with several reviewers noting that the clippers do not require excessive force to use, reducing the risk of hand fatigue or accidental slips. Travel friendliness is another advantage. The compact tin box makes it easy to pack the set for trips, ensuring that users always have reliable grooming tools on hand. The durability of the clippers means they can withstand the rigors of travel without bending or dulling, further enhancing their value for frequent travelers or those who need to maintain their nails on the go. The Vepkuso Nail Clipper set has achieved a strong reputation in the market, as reflected in its high customer ratings and bestseller status in the beauty and personal care category. With over 8,000 ratings and an average score of 4.3 out of 5, the majority of users are highly satisfied with their purchase. The combination of sharpness, wide jaw capacity, ergonomic design, and robust construction sets these clippers apart from many competitors. For seniors, individuals with thick or ingrown nails, and anyone seeking a reliable, long-lasting nail grooming solution, the Vepkuso set offers significant advantages. The lifetime guarantee further reduces the risk of dissatisfaction, as the manufacturer is willing to provide replacements if the product does not meet expectations. This level of customer support is not always found in personal care products and adds to the overall value proposition. However, it is important to acknowledge that no product is perfect for everyone. The unique design may not suit all users, and those with specific preferences for handle size or file material may need to consider their individual needs. The learning curve associated with the angled head and wide jaw may require some patience, but the majority of users report that the benefits far outweigh any initial adjustment period. In summary, the Vepkuso Nail Clippers for Seniors set stands out as a top-tier solution for those with challenging nail care needs. Its combination of sharpness, durability, ergonomic innovation, and thoughtful packaging makes it a practical and attractive choice for a wide range of users. Whether you are purchasing for yourself, a loved one, or as a gift, this set is likely to exceed expectations and provide years of reliable service. If you have experience with this product, please leave a review in the comments to help others make an informed decision. Remember, the link to the product is in the description. Using it supports the channel and helps us continue to bring you in-depth reviews of the best gadgets and personal care tools available.